Oh guys, finally he he need a good wife for making all those things. So please, if anyone out there single, please.
Now, so hello guys, welcome to this channel. So especially called it's Daniel Blog. So but today I'm going to make it more what is that? More good or something, I don't know, but just see here. Look.
We are on the way to explore the new waterfall of Aizawl. Today along with me, Lakneswar Hazong will be heading back. Go by this way. So this is how we go down this road, holding on to some branch bamboo stick. And if we're lucky, or if we could get a chance to get a crabs, that would be very amazing. Get a crab house so that we can take home to our hostel. Finally, we reached the waterfall. I'm excited to see. I'm excited to show you guys the waterfall. So this is our hostel up there, and we came all the way from there to see this waterfall. Whoa. Woohoo! Damn, this waterfall is so nice. It's so high. People haven't discovered this place, I guess. No one is there. We're making our own exploration. Taking part with this Aizawl water, river water. Oh hey! And about this place, how do I say, like it's behind, or I'm not sure how do I describe this place, but it's in Aizawl city. So this is the hint. Find a way. This is a misty waterfall. Find a hint, search for it.
ओ चाहत कसम नहीं है, कोई रसम नहीं है, दिल का भरम नहीं है, परा है तुमको हो तुम जहाँ, ओ होगी तुम नहीं, न चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज्यादा, तुमसे कम नहीं, जो तुम न हो तो हम भी हम नहीं, न चाहिए कुछ तुमसे ज्यादा, तुमसे कम नहीं.
This is a tool for cleaning. So Mizoram they call chemkoi. Chemkoi, and then this is for
Also just take it and keep in your bed. Okay.
this is how it works.
I'm
This.
staying hostel at
So we burn this fire so that it will repel the mosquito. So many mosquitoes are there. And then this is our product, the one which we took. Now we're peeling off the skin, the cover, the hard one which is not edible. We're taking the soft tissue or the soft part of the bamboo shoot. So here is a master chef. That's Jaglu. Jaglu. Professional. So please tell me about this one. How, before you came to study, how did you start life in this kind of work? Come on, man, bro. How did you start your living?
here or this?
I mean, this one now about this.
So this kind to at home also is to eat, no? So in jungle also is to roam at my village. So actually, when this bamboo shoot used to come, we used to go in the jungle and bring ourselves. So I know how to remove and how to cut. So that's what.
After you finish your graduation, I think you can work in this kind of thing.
If I remain unemployed, then I can come into this kind of work and just continue. Very easily I can survive.
And a lot of money, huh? So this is the place where we're doing up here, and then small stream up here. See, traditional way, stone and bamboo leaf, and then bamboo, make it up here like this, and then this is how the things work. Wash my hand. If you just see, this is looks like a pin, huh? This is hangover pea, and this is normal pea. If you know that, you know that. Anyway, here.
Now I know, no regret.
Finally, he succeeded making nice one.
But actually, the thing is, like, we don't have the good knife.
Oh, guys, finally, see, he he need a good wife for making all those things. So please, if anyone out there single, please, single happening. That's why he's saying, see, if if you need a you need a good wife, right? Yes, we need a good wife to make this stuff. Oh, after all, I've been with him, and then I thought that he'd be saying something, but he was just, he need wife. Ayya. Yo. Anyway, guys, done with this.
So, look, guys.